PSA Oxygen Concentrator. The Sean Overseas PSA Oxygen Concentrator is an advanced medical device designed to provide a continuous and reliable source of oxygen for individuals with respiratory conditions. Utilizing Pressure Swing Adsorption (PSA) technology, this concentrator separates oxygen from ambient air, delivering high-purity oxygen to patients in need. Ideal for both home and clinical settings, the Sean Overseas PSA Oxygen Concentrator ensures consistent oxygen supply, enhancing the quality of life for patients with chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD, emphysema, and other respiratory disorders. Specifications. Model: Sean Overseas PSA OX300. Technology: Pressure Swing Adsorption (PSA). Oxygen purity: 93% plus or minus 3%. Flow rate: 1 to 5 liters per minute adjustable. Noise level: less than or equal to 45 dB. Power consumption: 350 W. Dimensions: 30 centimeters, L x 25 centimeters, W x 50 centimeters, H. Weight: 15 kilograms. Operating temperature: 10 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius. Humidity range: 30% to 85% RH. Display: LCD screen with flow rate and purity indicators. Alarms: low oxygen purity, high/low pressure, power failure. Safety features: overheat protection, automatic shutdown. Accessories: nasal cannula, humidifier bottle, power cord, user manual. Compliance: CE, ISO. Certified. Key features. 1. High purity oxygen. Delivers medical-grade oxygen with a purity level of up to 96%, ensuring effective treatment. 2. Adjustable flow rate. Allows customization of oxygen flow from 1 to 5 liters per minute to meet individual patient needs. 3. Quiet operation. Low noise level ensures a comfortable environment for patients. 4. User-friendly interface. LCD screen provides clear information on flow rate and oxygen purity. 5. Enhanced safety. Equipped with multiple safety alarms and features to ensure reliable operation. 6. Portable design. Compact and lightweight, making it easy to move and set up in different locations. The Sean Overseas PSA Oxygen Concentrator is designed to provide a dependable and efficient oxygen supply, supporting better respiratory health and improving the overall well-being of patients.